Welcome to the Australian Institute of Flexible Learning, the e-learning pioneers of Australia. So you're interested in getting a rewarding lifelong career? We have the course to get you there. Certificate 4 in Aging Support, CHC43015. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to our channel for all the latest AIFL videos, tutorials, and news. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and follow for motivation, inspiration, and information. There are so many reasons to study with the Australian Institute of Flexible Learning. Here at AIFL, we offer flexible learning. Of course, that's in our name. Courses that suit you is what we do best. Nationally accredited courses. We are a nationally registered training organization with nationally accredited courses. This means that you can use this qualification as a stepping stone to more learning and work anywhere in Australia. Supportive environment. Being healthcare professionals, we have a greater compassion, kindness, and empathy for all. Anytime, anywhere. Being the e-learning pioneers of Australia, you can access your course and learning anytime and anywhere. Placement assistance. Being industry ourselves, if you need, we can help you with finding a placement with one of our partners. Centrelink approved courses. Our courses are approved by Centrelink so you can train towards your dream job. Government funding. We have government funding available in some states for those that are eligible. Industry experts. We are the industry we teach. Nothing better than that. Let's get you started in your chosen qualification. Certificate 4 in Aging Support, CHC43015. The Certificate 4 in Aging Support reflects the role of support workers who complete specialized tasks and functions in aged services, either in residential, home, or community-based environments. Workers will take responsibility for their own outputs within defined organization guidelines and maintain quality service delivery through the development, facilitation, and review of individualized service planning and delivery. This course offers you potential to work as Community Program Coordinator, Residential Care Worker, Support Worker in Community Services, Care Supervisor, Accommodation Support Worker, Personal Care Worker, Personal Caregiver, Assistant Hostel Supervisor, Personal Care Assistant, Residential Care Officer, Day Activity Worker, Care Team Leader, and possibly much more. Careers in these fields are known as essential workers. This means pandemic and disaster proof, so you can rest assured no matter what happens. You will always be needed and in demand. A career in this field has a salary that ranges from $44,000 to $60,000 a year. This is dependent on your location, hours of work, and time of work, of course. Units of study are: you need 18 units to gain a full qualification. Please note that the units of study may change at the time of enrollment depending on a number of factors. The course is theory and some assessments delivered via our e-learning. You are required to have reasonable computer skills, internet access, email access, and research skills. Learning modes are usually blended. AIFL may offer this qualification in a blended learning mode in selected locations depending on student numbers. This can be self-paced, but you also have access to teaching sessions as well. Trainer and IT support is available throughout your period of enrollment. You can contact us for any questions or queries throughout the week during business hours. Recognition of prior learning and credit transfers will be offered to all students as part of the pre-training review process. Is there work placement? Yes, there is 120 hours of work placement. It will be held at an appropriate setting according to your qualification and in accordance with AIFL standards and guidelines. We can assist if you are unable to find a provider yourself. How long is this course for? This course is 1,250 hours of study time and generally scheduled for approximately 12 months. However, it can vary depending on the student and any credit transfers that they may have, which may reduce the duration. Course fees. If you are in Victoria and meet the eligibility requirements for $0 tuition fees and job trainer, then you will only pay an all-inclusive of materials, placement, and admin enrollment fee of $385, including GST. This can be paid with only $88 up front and 3 times $99 of monthly payments. If you do not meet the criteria of Victorian funding, please inquire if your state has funding available through AIFL. If not, we have competitive fees set at industry standards that you can pay off in a payment plan. This is subjective to a minimum deposit at all times. Also, we have a social media discount and run offers from time to time, so please get in touch to find out more. There's always help available to you. Complementing courses. This qualification, like nearly all AIFL qualifications, has courses that are complementary to more employment opportunities in demand and more attractive remuneration in employment. The courses that complement Certificate 4 in Aging Support are Certificate 4 in Mental Health, Certificate 4 in Allied Health Assistance, Certificate 4 in Alcohol and Other Drugs, and a Diploma in Community Services. You can use this as an upskill if you are already in the industry. You can also use this as a starting point to get into nursing. This qualification leads to jobs that are usually in high demand. If you are offshore, this may assist with you coming to Australia. Please find out more with a registered migration agent. You can start right now. AIFL has rolling intakes, so you can start anywhere at any time. No matter where you are, we can get you started today. Let's get you started on a lifetime high-demand career pathway today. Contact us to get enrolled now. Email us enroll@aifl.edu.au. Visit our website and leave a message on our live chat. Call us on 1300 854 987 or 03 614 503 88 or 02 607 612 56. Don't forget to follow us on social media for inspiration, course information, and updates. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe. See you in the classroom.